want the What happened? Oh my God. Oh. Not again, Richard. Not again. Eh?
See where love has landed you. See what love has done to you. Hey.
So that it's okay. Just look at this. Eh? I have told Richard not once, not twice that it's ungentlemanly to hit a woman. It doesn't make you a man. Rather, it makes you less of a man. Just take a look at how can a man do this to his own wife? So go get water, okay? So you go clean her up, okay? Go get water. Could it be his wealth? Could it be his wealth that is getting to his head? Or is he going? Ego nekwana na abaishi. Egle kwa de ego yeme ojichi bara we konwa ori okore. Chiku mama. Ego nekwana na abaishi. Ego de manu go oji na abaishi. stop.
No, he can't be dead.
Calm down.
Auntie, you've killed him. You've killed him. You've killed him. Richard, please wake up.
It's okay, come.
Please wake up. He's dead. You've killed him. Stop. You've killed him.
No, stop it.
You killed him. You killed him. Hey. No.
It's okay.
Richard, wake up. No. Igwebike has killed him. Juliet, how do you want to kill yourself? Eh? Hey, Juliet, Uzugonono. Stop crying. No amount of tears can bring your husband back to life. Do you want to kill yourself? Get up. Get up. Since Ututu, you have not tasted anything. You have been crying. Uzugono bikono. Onnem biko. 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 Agadimu. No.
Mama, get him.
Mama, none. Agomu.
Mama.
Agomu.
Mama, take him.
Agomu, ati kwa mama nena anjika yosa.
Bakedo.
None.
You are still crying. Take it easy on yourself, oh. Mama.
Mama, that was why I had to send for you people. So nungwabia. Since so toto sakwa. Lienicha. Bikono, kai pono na mu. Bikono. Gwabania.
Mama, we thank God we've been able to settle with Richard's people. My wife and I were thinking that it would be nice for us to take Juliet to the city, take her with us back to the city, to stay with us. And this would enable her to get over all this.
Oh yeah, Mabu.
That is
Juliet, what do you think?
Should we go?
No.
Oh yeah, Je.
Mama, Juliet will go with us. At least she'll find something doing so that she won't think of crying again. Juliet, let's go so you can pack your things, okay?
It's okay. Calm down. It's good. Thank you, Biko. May God continue to bless you. Darling. Thank you.
Well, sir.
Samuel, are the children not yet back?
No, madam.
Did you say they're not back yet?
Yes, sir.
Did anybody look for me?
No, sir.
I couldn't stop laughing.
Hi, love.
Good afternoon.
Juliet, how are you?
Hi, good afternoon.
Yeah, it's all right.
Hey, today.
Honey.
Massage? Wow. Mm. Your food's a little bit swollen. Anyhow, it comes with it.
Let's do it gently.
Take some. So, how did your day go?
What was that for? What's the meaning of that? What is wrong with you? Are you a baby? Can't you stay on your own? Huh?
Richard, there's no problem putting my legs on your laps.
Now listen to me. Never again in your life try that with me. You know I don't like it. Don't you ever try that with me again. What nonsense is that? Now leave here. Leave now! Just go. Leave now!
I'm sorry.
Nonsense.
Juliet, please hurry up. I don't want the children to be late for school.
Sister, must I follow you?
What will you be doing at home? Because I want you to drive.
Oh, no, sister. Look, even if I'm going to follow you, please, do the driving, please.
You do the driving, please. My tummy.
Okay, I've heard.
Okay.
You came back late last night and you're leaving early this morning. No explanation, nothing. You're not used to keeping late nights.
So that bring down your voice when you talk to me. I'm your husband. Show some respect. Huh? I had an emergency meeting yesterday. That's why.
So what's the use of a phone? Tell me.
Honey, I tried calling, but the line was not connected. You know how it is with networks in this country.
And you want me to believe that, Ibebike?
Good morning.
Good morning, Juliet. How are you? Naka, please, I'm off to work. I'll see you later.
Please, leave me alone. Leave me alone, let me. Why are you coming back this late? Huh? Richard, you've been drinking?
Who are you to ask me that question?
Richard, you've been drinking again. Eh? This is not right. I have told you so many times. It is so irresponsible of a married man to be like...
How dare you talk to me like that? Please, how dare you?
I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
Of my very own daughter, Jillian.
I don't wanna go. I hate it.
Just don't fight with me, okay? What happened to my sweet little girl? Why do you hate me? I love you.
Now where's the light speed switch?
Hello! How you doing?
Fine.
Hey, my angels, you don't want to say hello to Daddy?
Oh, I like those glasses.
Oh, my golly! That's good. Come on, come on, say hello to me. Whoa! Look here. These are my angels. Come on, sweetheart. Is that the way to say welcome to your husband? No hug, no kiss, nothing? Huh?
Leave me alone, please.
Oh, she'll leave you alone. Okay. Juju, how are you?
I'm fine. How was work today?
Very well, thank you.
Okay. Thank you.
All right, everybody. Daddy's taking everybody out today. Yay! All right. Go upstairs, get prepared. We're all going out, okay? Yeah. All right, take your sisters. We are
Take your sisters.
Daddy is taking everybody out. All right, go. Go. Michael. Right, go.
Yeah, follow your brother.
For your brother. Go get ready, okay, Michael? Go, come on. Hey, my sweetie, you want a hug again? All right. Juliet, you too. Juliet, go get ready, okay?
Me?
Yes.
No, I can't go out. Oh.
Juju, I insist. Everybody's going. I'm taking everybody out.
Okay. Okay.
Everybody is going out. Huh? Why are you embarrassing me before my children? Eh? Cheer up, come on. Cheer up, sweetie. Biggie belly. Biggie belly. Biggie belly. Come on, go get ready, come on. Go get ready, I'll take you out.
ask you people to kill him? Did I ask you people to kill him? Eh? Though Richard was beating me, he is my husband. He was my husband. I loved him. I never wanted him dead. Now you people have killed him. And you have left me alone. Now look at what you people are doing. Leave me alone. I didn't ask you people to kill him. I didn't. Look at me. I'm lonely. I don't have a husband. I didn't ask you guys to kill him.
Stop crying. Sweetie, tell me, how can I ever snap out of this mood? I will never forgive myself over Richard's death. I wouldn't. I don't know what even came over me.
It's alright.
You know, why should I get myself involved in Juliet and Richard's case? Why? I see what he's gotten us into.
Honey, it's okay. Don't be too hard on yourself. You only tried to help. If not for you, that wicked man would have killed my sister. God knows we never planned for his death.
I know.
It was an accident.
I know, but Richard should be alive. Should have died. He ought to be alive, sweetie. Look at Juliet. She will never be a happy woman. Never. No matter what we offer her, no matter what we do, she will never be a happy person.
Honey, Juliet will be fine. I know it will not be easy for her to forget Richard. But she'll be fine, I can assure you of that. Okay? Honey, Okay, it's alright.
Michael, how are you? Oh, what is for you? Hello, children, how are you? How you doing? Come together. Good, good boy. Hello, sweetie. Ooh, welcome there. Come on, sir. Come here, come here. Come here, come here. How are you? Where's your mom?
I don't know.
You don't know where your mom is? Come here. He's upstairs. I see. Where's my color? Okay. Okay. I got some stuff for you, okay? You take care of it, I'll downstairs, okay?
Thank you. You go and get the bags from the booth.
Do you want a piece too?
And how was school today? Hello. How are you? Who's your daddy?
He's upstairs.
Okay, I'll be back.
How is my wife?
She lost so much blood.
Doctor, please take my blood. Take blood from me if it's a matching one.
I'm sorry, we lost her and the baby. Excuse me.
fragrant woman just died like that. And I heard that nobody knows where Juliet ran to. They said Juliet did that to punish her sister and her husband for killing her own husband. Hey! But that is not fair now. The sister and the husband just tried to help her. Look at what she has done to that family. I hope that man will not run mad, yo. That old woman, I pity her. Oh, poor woman.
I hope you have the keys.
Yeah, I'm all of guys inside.
Onia? Ezioku? Ipa maudo. Ipa maudo. Otijelu mji. Otijelu mji. Hey! Beba bia. Abamu.
I'm on in.
Help.
Mama, sorry. Are you in the
Ngwa. Hell. Welcome for Chelly Gates. Mama, Odo. You will be one. Oh,
Mama. You're welcome.
Nah.
No,
Oh.
No, can they go?
I'm here.
Hi, Mama. How is everybody in the village?
We are fine, oh.
You're welcome.
Oh, no.
You're welcome.
How are my grandchildren? I hope everybody is fine.
Oh, they're fine. We bless God.
Hey, chegide. You did not come to the village. Mrs. Anoke, let me come and see if everything is well. I hope all is well with you. All is
well. I'm having problems with my business. And everything is crashing down. As you speak, I don't even go to the market again.
How do you mean?
I don't know how to explain this to you for you to understand. But it appears the whole world is crashing down on me.
Nam, don't talk like that. Oh, don't talk like that. Everything will be fine. Oh, Pico.
I miss Neka. I really miss Neka. She was more than a wife to me. She was a friend. She stood by me in good times and in bad times. She was always there to advise me. And now she's no more. I'm left alone to take decisions.
Ogombiko, echetana mihem chefu biko. Hey, ew.
Mama, it's okay, Baba.
Oh, where we go, Malu?
It's okay.
Mama, oh.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, Mama.
Oh, no.
Good afternoon,
Kadu?
Mama.
No.
Mama, These sisters are looking for you.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon. Good afternoon. Odibama. Biko, come out from the sun.
No, I am Reverend Sister Esther Wilfred, and this is Reverend Sister Russo Koro. We're from Mother of Perpetual Help in
No.
Mama, let me rest on my uncle's shop.
Oh, Dalo, oh, thank you.
Thank you so much.
All right.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
I would have said let's go inside, but it is too hot. I don't know if you can manage here because of air.
Thank you.
Hey, no.
Now, do you have a daughter named Juliet?
Yes. Where did you see her?
Sorry. Is she the one in this picture?
Yes, sister. Where did you see her?
Well, you see, many months back, she came to us and she narrated to us how she erroneously slept with the sister's husband, which resulted in pregnancy. She stayed in our home all through the pregnancy and we took very good care of her. And on the 9th month, she gave birth to this little baby girl.
Young woman, dear. Sister, please, tell her to come home. Tell her that I have forgiven her. Let her come.
Ma, see, she died immediately after giving birth to the child. I tried all I could to save her, but she couldn't make it. Please, calm down. Please, take this child as a consolation. Please. Stop crying.
My husband's. That was why I invited you people. Kuno solo faithful. They said Juliet died after delivering her.
Our wife, stop crying, eh? At least the baby is safe. We shall send for Bubike to come home. Yes.
Stop crying. Just hand everything over to God. So will take care of
Just sucking to that advice, okay? We will all be alright.
Thank you, my husbands.
Our in-law, you are welcome. We sent for you because the matter on ground is a serious one. This child you are looking at here was brought to us by some reverend sisters. They said that Juliet gave birth to this child and died after delivery. But before she died, she gave the reverend sisters the mother's address and told them everything about you and her. That this child belongs to you.
How? That this child is mine? How? I don't understand it.
She ran out of your house that very day. because of what happened to her sister, Neka, your late wife. She later found out that she was pregnant and ran to the convent.
I don't understand what you people are talking about. I don't.
Igwebike, what we are saying is that the child is yours and you should come and take the child. In this community, we don't regard any child as a bastard. And we believe that every child has a father. Hence, we try to reunite every child with his or her father.
But how can I take a child that doesn't belong to me?
Now, Nugwebike, are you telling me you did not sleep with Juliet?
No. Mazi, please, Biko, let's not go there at all. Ogo. What we are really saying here is that you have to come and perform the traditional rites so that this child, this bundle of blessing here, will not be called bastard. Please.
Mama, I'm really sorry about the way I sounded out there. But the problem is that, Mama, I can't take care of this baby. Mama, I can't. You know already that my business has crumbled. Two, again, I have 3 children. 3 children to take care of. Mama, adding this one to these 3, Mama, it'd be too much. That would be suicidal. Mama, I can't.
It's okay, my in-law. Don't worry. I will help you take care of this baby. But please, go and do the traditional rites, Biko.
Okay, ma. I'll be on my way now.
Ijoma. Oh, when you want to do it.
Hello, Mama.
Nna. Igwebike. Kedu. How are the children?
Mama, I'm fine and the children are okay. Hope you're fine too.
Thank God. Nna. It's been long you left. You have not even called to know how the baby is doing. Up till now, the baby does not have a name. It's not fair.
Mama, just give her a name. Give her any name. Okay, it's okay by me. Whatever name you give to her is okay by me.
You are her father. You're supposed to name her, not me.
Mama, yes, I'm her father, but that's your grandchild. Give her any name, it's okay by me. Mama, please, I'm driving. I'll call you back, please.
Okay. Oh, bye-bye.
Let's give her any name, man.
They sent us away from school.
They drove you away from school? Why?
Daddy, they said that we did not pay our school fees. Daddy, why didn't you pay our school fees?
It's okay. Come on, take your scissors. Okay. Take them.
from God. You are a gift from God. No matter how you came into this life or the circumstances surrounding it, you are a gift from God. And I name you Ini Edo.
Mama!
Eba.
Mama! Mama! Mama, Onye is fighting.
Onyinye? Fighting? Nebe?
Mama, come.
Take me there. Take me. Take me there. Oh. Come on. Nebe? Nebe?
Sorry. Just run.
Where?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. It's okay. It's okay.
Stop now! Stop! What is this? Take it!
Hey, husband and wife, why are you beating my granddaughter?
Mama, it's your daughter. She likes looking for trouble. It's not true. It's true.
What happened?
I came here, I met your daughter beating and insulting my wife. For what?
Instead of you,
leave me alone. I'm respecting you because of your age. Leave me alone. Leave me alone.
Okoro's wife called Onye a bastard. Huh? He's a lie. Yes, just because Onye asked her to leave her space. That was what led to the fight. Mama, I came to the market with my wares to sell. On getting to the market, I saw this woman. She kept her fruits on my table. I told her to remove it. She refused. Listen. She called me a bastard.
Mom that has a father. Kunu na born a bastard. I will report the two of you to the Igwe in council.
Go ahead, report.
She did not call her any bastard.
She called her a bastard.
It's a very big lie.
I will report.
Okay, now.
Okay. Diala. Unu chona anje nwere mmadụ. Na boy. Ano me. Boy ba. Nyaka. Onye. Onye go. Meji a.
Jesus!
Okoro. Come and stand here. Come and stand right here. Where? Sorry. Stand here. Please now. You. I have catch you now. Is this not you, Okoro?
I'm sorry.
Because the other day you were running your mouth anyhow.
I'm sorry.
And your husband was there to fight for you.
No.
Where is he now? He's not here. I have you to myself now.
Because
Eba, Iga Taja.
I'm sorry. Itachaya. Nkalaya. Itakwaya. Itakwaya. I'm sorry. You will now go to the stream. Fetch water in this your bucket and drink. Mommy! Jesus!
For you. You're welcome. Brother, how is Enugu? How is your guy? How is everything? Yes, how are you?
Where's Papa?
Papa went to the farm. Are you okay? Talk now, what's wrong with you? What happened? Asana. What's wrong?
After serving our God for 10 good years, now that he's supposed to settle me, he sent me away empty-handed, claiming that I stole his money.
This is not fair. This is not fair at all. After 10 years? 10 years? No, this is not fair. It's not acceptable at all. Daddy, this is not acceptable at all. No! We won't accept it.
What kind of life is this? Did I offend anybody to deserve this?
This is wickedness. This is wickedness. Daddy, you have to do something, no? This is wickedness, so. Share wickedness. Daddy, we're not accepting this at all. He sent out without 1 naira.
How is she?
Her blood pressure rose.
Hey.
But don't worry, she'll be fine.
Hey.
I'll give her some drugs.
Okay.
After that, she'll be fine. Huh?
Okay.
Get her. Can you get a glass of water? Mama, you'll be fine, huh?
honest. You're strong. Let me see. Hey, Mama, thank God though.
I am strong.
Yes, sir.
I thank God for giving you to me.
Yes, Mama, I'm happy you're fine.
Let me
go and keep it. Anywhere I see you in this village. Now let me go.
I'm sorry, Onye.
Did I not tell you?
Forgive me.
Oh, I don't the plantain.
Okay.
Drop it!
Oh yeah.
Okay.
Please. Sorry.
Please,
Okay.
Where should I go? Hey! You! Where come I from? Why do you want to fight? It's okay now. Why do you stop it? Please, it's okay. I wanted to give her a dosage of my hair. I'm on Papa. And I'm a bastard.
Oh, yeah, it's okay.
Me a bastard. Don't worry, wrong. I will catch you. As always, I will catch you. As for this plantain, it's now my own. I'm coming.
Oh, yeah, it's okay. Leave her plantain.
Where are you coming from? Why you come and stop fight? Don't care. Hey, yeah, Seba. Tell me, Naja, where are you going to?
Where is my plantain?
Hey, stop.
Where's my plantain?
What are you doing here?
I said, where is my plantain?
Hey, this is. You have gone to call your Dikeh, okay? To come and fight on your behalf. To fight on Nye. Listen, Okoro, I did not take your wife's plantain. I only seized it. So, until my anger comes down, it will be in my possession. And let me tell two of you, if you dare make noise in my compound, if I help him, if you even try to show yourself small, I will deal with you in my capacity as Onye. Do you hear me? And if you look at me like that again, you will buy for yourself 1 week of constant beating. Every day beating from Onye. Every day. Try Anam. Just carry one. You came to collect plantain. Mama.
Your granddaughter stopped my wife on the way, fought her and took her plantain before she ran away. So I need that plantain now.
Mama. It's inside. Ha! Mabiko, I'm going to the market. I will give it back to them at my own time. I'll pluck at your eye.
Don't bring the plantain, my friend.
Neno, when woke cable. Why you not going born of pack? Eh? Ne, I know native go easy. Ndo, whenever I may leave for your wine. Why you need beer? Kadia.
How are you, my
Daddy? Daddy, come on here. Daddy.
Sister, good afternoon.
Who is your sister? Who is your sister? Yeah? Jovita, stop that. Stop it.
Mama, take it back.
Papa, good afternoon.
Mama, what is she doing here?
Onye?
I'm talking about her. Lay on here. What is she come to do here?
Igwebike, what kind of question is that?
Mama, just ask. Lay on here. Lay on here. That's what I'm asking.
Yeah. You will not come and see her. And you do not want her to come and see you. Eh?
Mama, I have told you that I don't want to see this girl. I've told you so many times that I don't want to see her. That she brings me sad memories. She causes me pain. Look at my life, Mama. My business, my life, everything is in ruins because of this girl. Mama, I'm becoming frustrated by the day. You will be here again. Is it to add to my problems?
Little care.
Mama,
little care can watch.
Mama, I've told you I don't want to see her.
So that is why you have refused to come and see me too.
Mama, what am I coming to see you for? Seeing you is seeing her. So can't man and no. That's right.
Mama, Obejili, go and bring it so that your father will use it to kill her officially.
If that is going to put an end to all these things, I will do it.
Kill her officially. Come and kill. Onyinye Chukwu. Onyinye Chukwu. Onyinye.
Soya.
Don't be angry. Finine at this one. What's happening to you? What's happening to you? Go and let the cat this one.
Mama. Good day, ma.
Michael. Kedu?
Fine, ma.
Very good afternoon.
Hey, how are you, Nini?
I'm fine.
Mama, your face.
I asked after you when we got to your house. They said you went out.
Yes, Mama. I went to see my friend. I'm so soon. I thought you would be spending the night with us.
Maybe next time.
Mama, if you say so, let me allow you to go now before it gets dark. Take care of yourself, Mama. Oh. You too.
Daddy, forget about that. All will be well, okay?
Just imagine her calling herself our sister. She's not our sister, Biko. She's not. She's the cause of everything we are suffering.
Daddy, grab some. Why are you talking about like that again?
Is that stupid girl that calls herself our sister? That stupid fool.
It's okay. Daddy, I saw Grandma on my way home, and with the look on her face, she's not looking happy. What happened?
Forget about that girl that calls herself our sister. She can't be my sister.
Will you shut up your mouth?
Like, what do you say? Why are you shutting her down? Why are you shutting her down? I'm asking, why are you shutting her down?
Daddy, she's not our sister.
Will you shut up, my friend? Shut up. What do you know? What do you know? Now, listen, every one of you. I don't want to see any one of you near that girl. Do you understand me?
Yes, Daddy.
Do you understand me, Michael?
Yes, Daddy.
Soya.
What is the problem? No. Oh, you didn't know. Okay. Ini Edo, what is the problem? Ennem. Mamam. Oh, you didn't know. Enwam. Okay.
Mama, I am a mistake.
Mbao. Don't say that again.
Yes. That is what I am. I am a child of sorrow. Baba, I don't blame the villagers that call me a bastard. Because indeed, that is what I am. A bastard. Baba, I represent pain. Everything about me is bitterness.
God forbid. You are not sorrow. You are not pain. You are not bitterness. You are my joy.
Your joy? Mama, how can I be your joy? How can I be your joy when nobody wants to see me? My father doesn't want to see me. My sisters don't want to see me. Nobody wants to see me. Is it my fault? Is it my fault that I came into this world? I am being rejected by my own father. Mama, why? Why now?
Stop. Onyinye, I said stop. Like I said, you are not sorrow. You are not pain. And you are not bitterness. I have always told you not to put yourself in a situation where people will be sorry for you or even pity you. That is for people who are weak in mind. I trained you to be a strong girl. Self-pity is a sign of weakness. Onine, it's okay. Stop crying. Stop crying. Get up. Onyinye, look into my eyes. Who are you?
I am not a bastard.
Who are you?
I'm not a weakling.
Who are you?
I'm a strong woman.
That is my child. Ngwa, go inside and sleep. What? Go inside.
Just speaking the phone.
Daddy, who is that?
I'm calling your Oga. But he's not been picking my call.
Daddy, I have told you to stop wasting your time. That man will never pick your call.
Don't worry, I know what to do now. I will send him a text message asking him to come so that we can talk. Because I can't understand it. How can he send you away without giving you anything? But, no. Send him an SMS.
Okay, Daddy. What if he doesn't come?
I know what to do. Leave it to me. Okay?
praying tomorrow will be like this. Why is this guy calling me? I won't just answer him.
So Chika, didn't you hear me calling you? And why didn't you answer me?
Come, Odili or whatever your name is, stop following me around this village. What's your problem? I said I'm not interested. Can that get into your thick skull?
Chika, why are you acting like this? Chika, what's wrong with you? Like, seriously, I don't know what you are feeling like. I don't know.
Well, as you can see, I am feeling like Chika that I am. Odili, go and do something with your miserable life and leave me alone.
Chika, are you talking to me like that?
Yes.
Are you talking to me like that?
Yes, of course.
I will deal with you.
Odili, you slapped me. Bros, you slapped my friend.
And look, if you don't get out of my way, I'm going to slap you the same way I did to her.
You slap me.
What? What?
Yes. Here's the list.
Which list?
The things I need for my salon.
Teresa, there's no money for this now, okay? There's no money for this. Eh?
But Daddy, you're the one that asked me to go and learn hairdressing now.
I agree. I had a so I'm the one. I remember I'm the one who asked you to go and learn hairdressing. And I did that because I was expecting some money. Eh? Now the money I was expecting did not come. Eh? But can't you still open a salon without some of these things there? Then maybe as you're working, you'll be buying and putting inside small spots.
Daddy, no, if I open the salon without these things, people will think I'm not serious. And Daddy, they won't even patronize me.
Teresa, let me even ask you. Do you think I'm blind? Do you think I'm Mami him again? Listen, I go to salons myself. I see some salons. I know some salons that are functioning, existing without some of these things here. Eh?
Those salons, Daddy, Daddy, they're not up to standard now. They're not. Can I open a salon without these things?
There's no money for now. You have to wait until money comes.
Daddy, you have to look for somewhere and borrow.
What did you say? I should look for somewhere and borrow. It's either you're patient till I get money, or you join your sister Jovita in the factory work. Did you hear what I said?
Factory work? Daddy, I'm not joining her. That work is very stressful. I cannot. How much are they even paying her?
I don't have money. I don't have money for this for now. I don't.
Good day, Daddy.
Michael, how are you? How was your day? Help me hold that to hold it.
Daddy, guess what?
What?
I've gotten a job, a side job.
You've gotten a job? A side job?
Yes, Daddy. A friend of mine today introduced me to a side job, so I'll be working with him there.
Oh, that's nice. So what kind of side job? What are you going to be doing there?
Daddy, I will be mixing cement, carrying sand, sometimes to fetch water. Daddy, at least it's better than me staying at home waiting for my uncle to settle me now, doing nothing.
It's okay, my son. At least you can be doing that for now. Until have you seen it? Have you seen your brother struggling? At least you know what he used to do. But now that things are like this, look at him. And you come up here with Ababa list, you know, for me to buy you salon, open salon for you. Look at him.
You're the one that asked me to write stuff. I don't want to be one again.
Mama, are you feeling any pain in any part of your body?
My left leg. When I sit for a long time on, I mean,
here.
Hey, now why you?
Kupita, small, my
baby.
And
sorry, Mama.
Amonye will go with me to the shop. I'll give her some drugs you will take. After taking the drugs, she'll be fine.
Thank you.
But Mama, I might not be able to come back. The customers are waiting for me in the shop. Just make sure you take the drugs, eat your food, you'll be fine.
God bless you.
Thank you.
Onyinye,
Mama,
you will follow Doc to the shop. He'll give you some medicines for me.
Yes, Mama.
God bless you.
Mama, take care of yourself. You'll be fine.
God bless you.
Mama, I'll be right back.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Okay, bye-bye. Thank you. Hey, God will bless him. Nanyokoi, he has been treating me without collecting 10 kobo.
He's so nice.
God will bless him.
Amen.
Where are you coming from? So you don't stay in your shop again or fire? What you do now is to walk about the whole village, carry small girls up and down. You don't have what to do with your time again. Eh?
Yeah, Agatha. Is it me you are talking to like that? I'm okay now. Eh? What is your problem? Eh? See, is it everything that enters this your dirty mind that you open your mouth and talk? Have you even asked me who this girl is before you started saying all those stupid things from your mouth?
Peter, so it's because of this thing that I don't know where you brought her from. That's why you're talking to me like this. Because of this girl, I don't know where she came out from. Peter! Peter!
See, stop chasing customers away from you. I don't want to warn you again. Stop chasing them away. Please come, let me give you the drugs.
Chika, you needed to have been there to see how this girl was running her mouth. She was running her mouth like a motorcycle. No single respect. Hey. If it was not for the respect I have for Kupita, I would have taught her a little lesson. I swear.
Are you serious? Well, Onye, you don't need to jump into relationship issues like that. Who knows? Maybe that is how they do their own love.
Maybe go up with that thing. If that's how their love is, it's not a good one. It is not.
Onye, let me start living. Let me go and read for my exams. But you know what? I'll come back. I'll see you later. I'll come back.
You're supposed to come now.
I will.
I'll look for you.
Don't look for trouble, no. Take care of yourself.
I will. Bye-bye.
Bye.
No. You're welcome. So what can I do for you?
Thank you so much. If I hear my nephew is interested in marrying one of your daughters.
I see. I see. You're fine.
Yes, sir.
So, Ifeanyi, what do you do for a living?
Sir, I'm a transporter, sir.
Oh, a transporter?
Yes.
That's good.
Dikeh to be precise.
You what? Get out! Poverty will kill two of you. Everyone at home. Get away from my compound. Bring us fire. Move here. Move here, idiot. Don't you ever come into my compound again, idiot.
What is it?
Can you imagine? Imagine, Dikeh driver. Dikeh driver coming into my compound to tell me that he wants to marry you. Can you imagine this? Can you imagine? Huh?
No. Is it there? Is it there?
Dikeh wants to marry you. Dikeh Jovita. Is it that Dikeh wants to marry you?
Hi!
That is okay.
Go get away. What is funny?
That is sorry.
That is okay.
Go to marry one Kabikon. Eh? Hi! Igwebike. Ahushele Maya. Keke. Be a long one. Okay. Hi! Woman, we know him around my village.
For matter hell. I don't like, as in, hi, Morio just did a very big mistake. Okay, Dikeh, you don't even watch football, sir. What am I even talking? So what do you now do for? Mazi Bebike, Ndeo.
How are you?
Fine.
Why did you do that, man?
Chigozie, owevola melanya ba.
That ritualist, after killing his wife, now see how poor he has become. Now you greeted him in our dialect and he replied you in English.
Yes.
He does not associate with our people. All he does is to iron his clothes and polish his shoe. Even farm work he can't even do. He thinks he's still in the city. He can call himself an agent.
Chigozie, calm down. Chigozie, calm down. You see, Mazi Bebike is not a ritualist. Though he may be claiming to be an agent, but he's not a ritualist. I believe his wife's death affected his brain.
Yes, you're right. That thing really affected the man's brain. So men came to his compound to ask him that hand in marriage because the man is a car driver. He chased the man out of his compound.
What are you saying? Wait, come to think of it. What is the difference between his daughter and a keke driver?
Ask me, come. I don't know.
Our wonders will never end.
Teresa! Teresa! Go. Teresa, are you the one that shared the compound? No. I was even looking for you to ask if you were the one. All the water drums are all filled up. Are you serious? See this one.
Good morning, my sisters. Who are your sisters? Eh? See, are you doing all these ones for me to like you? See, let me tell you, stop wasting your time. There is no place for you in this house. You know your sisters. Sisters will wait with you.
I don't have your time. Maybe I'll get to work.